Constitution of Barbados, 1966. Preamble. Preamble. Whereas the love of free institutions and of independence has always strongly characterized the inhabitants of Barbados. And whereas the governor and the said inhabitants settled a parliament in the year 1639. And whereas as early as February 18, 1651 those inhabitants, in their determination to safeguard the freedom, safety, and well-being of the island, declared, through their governor, lords of the council and members of the assembly, their independence of the Commonwealth of England. And whereas the rights and privileges of the said inhabitants were confirmed by Articles of Agreement, commonly known as the Charter of Barbados, had, made and concluded on January 11, 1652 by and between the Commissioners of the Right Honourable the Lord Willoughby of Parham, Governor of the one part, and the Commissioners on behalf of the Commonwealth of England, of the other part, in order to the rendition to the Commonwealth of England of the said island of Barbados. And whereas with the broadening down of freedom, the people of Barbados have ever since then not only successfully resisted any attempt to impugn or diminish those rights and privileges so confirmed, but have consistently enlarged and extended them. Now, therefore, the people of Barbados proclaim that they are a sovereign nation founded upon principles that acknowledge the supremacy of God, the dignity of the human person, their unshakable faith in fundamental human rights and freedoms, and the position of the family in a society of free men and free institutions. Affirm their belief that men and institutions remain free only when freedom is founded upon respect for moral and spiritual values and the rule of law. Declare their intention to establish and maintain a society in which all persons may, to the full extent of their capacity, play a due part in the institutions of the national life. Resolve that the operation of the economic system shall promote the general welfare by the equitable distribution of the material resources of the community, by the human conditions under which all men shall labor, and by the undeviating recognition of ability, integrity, and merit. Desire that the following provisions shall have effect as the Constitution of Barbados.